Best known for its famous Oktoberfest and World War II history, Germany is also home to some of Europa's most beautiful scenery, fairy tale castles, important historic sites, and lively party scenes. Located in the heart of Europe, Germany maintains the continent's most powerful economy. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Germany. Number 10. Leipzig. The largest city in the federal state of Saxony, Leipzig is known for its vibrant arts and culture scene, shaped by famous music composers like Bach, Richard Wagner, and Felix Mendelssohn. Tourists today can enjoy performances of Bach's music at the St. Thomas Church, where Bach once served as choir leader and is now buried. In addition to historic sites like the Old Town Hall, the city boasts several impressive structures, such as the Napoleonic Monument to the Battle of the Nations and the former High Court of the Reich. One of Europe's largest town squares is situated at the Central Campus, Germany's second oldest university. Number 9. Rügen Island. Located in the Baltic Sea, Rügen Island is the largest island in Germany, connected to the mainland by a bridge and causeway. Charming villas, romantic seaside resorts, and beautiful beaches all draw tourists to Rügen Island. But the star attraction is the Jasmund National Park, famous for its unique chalk cliffs, rising 528 feet over the sea. Another notable feature of Rügen Island is Cape Arkona, East Germany's northernmost tip, where tourists can visit an old lighthouse, remnants of a Slavic castle, and a picturesque fishing village. Number 8. Romantic Rhine. Stretching between the cities of Bingen and Bonn, Germany, the Middle Rhine flows through a dramatic geological formation called the Rhine Gorge. This region features a spectacular landscape dotted with some 40 medieval castles, picturesque villas, and terraced vineyards. The region's most famous natural attraction is the Lorelei, the deepest and most narrow section of the Rhine Gorge, which features a large, treacherous rock that caused several boating accidents prior to the 19th century. The best way to experience the romantic Rhine is by a riverboat cruise. Number 7. Cologne. Situated on the Rhine River in the German federal state of North Rhine-Westphalia, Cologne is one of the most popular places to visit in Germany. The city offers a vibrant array of attractions, buzzing nightlife, and a stellar arts and culture scene. Cologne also packs impressive landmarks, such as the city's informal symbol, the Cologne Cathedral, a stunning Gothic church. Moreover, the 12 Romanesque churches are magnificent examples of medieval architecture. Two bombings, Dresden was known as the Jewel Box because of its lavish collection of stunning art and architecture. After many years, the city has restored much of its former glory. The capital of the federal state of Saxony, Dresden offers a number of historic sites, like the stunning Frauenkirche Cathedral. The city also boasts many cultural institutions, of which the Semper Opera is most widely esteemed. Number 5. Lübeck. As one of the largest Baltic seaports in Germany, Lübeck is located in the country's northernmost state, Schleswig-Holstein. Founded in 1143, Lübeck served for several centuries as the capital seat of the Hanseatic League. Although it was the first German city to be bombed and damaged during World War II, Lübeck still retains much of its medieval architecture, making it a popular tourist destination. A walk through the narrow streets of the Altstadt offers views of historic sites like the stunning cathedral, the 12th century town hall, and the city gates, of which the Holstentor is the most famous. Number 4. Heidelberg. With historic treasures like the medieval Old Bridge, the Heidelberg Castle, and the Church of the Holy Spirit and the Knight St. George House, it is no wonder that Heidelberg is a popular tourist attraction. The city center's main street is packed with pubs, restaurants, museums, art galleries, shops, and markets, selling the likes of beer steins, Kuckucklocks, and German sausages. Home to Germany's oldest university, Heidelberg's long academic history can be retraced along the Philosopher's Walk, a scenic footpath often walked by many early philosophers and professors. Number 3. Neuschwanstein. The most photographed building in Germany, Neuschwanstein Castle is also one of Europe's most popular tourist destinations. Nestled among the breathtaking beauty of the Bavarian Alps near the town of Füssen, this fairy tale castle served as the inspiration behind Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Constructed in the late 1800s, Neuschwanstein Castle was never built for defense purposes, as most castles. Instead, this castle was created as a fanciful retreat for King Ludwig II of Bavaria, who had a reputation for abiding in daydreams instead of reality. Number 2. Munich. Best known as the origin of the world-famous Oktoberfest, Munich is one of the best places to visit in Germany with a great culture scene. Munich is home to several sophisticated opera houses and theaters like the National Theater. The city center is an attractive blend of classic and modern architecture, teeming in historic churches, medieval walls, and royal palaces, as well as bustling shopping centers and nightlife venues. Munich's Oktoberfest began in 1810 with a royal wedding celebration. Today, this famous festival draws millions of visitors every year to take part in the revelry that involves several gigantic beer tents, delicious Bavarian food, and millions of gallons of beer. Number 1. Berlin. The capital city of Germany, Berlin is widely associated with its World War II history and former division of East and West Germany by the Berlin Wall during the Cold War. Since the fall of the historic wall in 1989, Berlin today is now a vast, unified city, diverse in ethnic groups, and abundant in sightseeing attractions, culture, and nightlife. Many tourists are drawn to Berlin's famous historic structures, which include the Brandenburg Gate and the Reichstag. Although most of the Berlin Wall was demolished, there are some portions still standing near Checkpoint Charlie and the Reichstag.